Hello guys, welcome to Studio of Architects. It's Architecture Mess. Today we see how to create different floors in Revit. For creating floor, this is our plan. Go to the floor, create concrete. This is wooden flooring. Select there are many methods. One is line method, rectangle, uh, polygon, multi-polygon, circle, start and arc and pick a line. We are creating by pick a line. Select the line. Now here, select trim, select trim. Okay, this is our timber flooring. For creating timber flooring, go to the edit. First, rename the uh, floor timber flooring. Timber flooring. Okay, go to the edit. Just edit is the concrete size 150 and insert a layer of floor finish one. Take it into a category wooden floor. Okay, 50 mm. Okay, apply. Okay, create. Okay, go to the realistic. You can see the edit floor. For example, in toilet, our floor is tile floor. Go to the create. Just create different floor. Create. Okay. Just edit duplicate bathroom floor. Okay. Edit. Just create new material. Rename it. Bathroom floor. Go to the menu library. Asset library. Appearance. Flooring. Select whichever you want. Go to the tiles and click this. Apply. Okay. Apply. Okay. Now you can see the different material in create. Select the bottom. Create CS in this turret also. Create. Okay. Now for your duct sky, create new floor for different material. Go to the select edit editor floor one. Go to duplicate edit. Just create new floor one. Go to the asset library appearance. Just consider having grass in duct. Nice one. So apply. Okay. Apply. Okay. Now you can see the difference. Let's consider our living room have different floor. For creating, go to the create, edit, duplicate, floor 2. Okay, create new material, luminous floor 2, appearance library. We are creating features, flooring, double flooring. Increase the size, okay. Apply. Okay, you can see the difference. Let's consider our kitchen have different floor. Create, okay, edit, we are trim. Now you can see the different floor. That's it for today. Thank you for